will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic pop-up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for your list like this here. So then you go down here, you just keep going down here. It's going to show for you here apps, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this, and here you're looking for Sonic pop-up, or just click on search here. So then here at Sonic pop-up, it's going to show for you like this. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.